Guys, welcome back to my channel. I am so excited for this. It is my first ever clothing line. Okay guys, let me show you my first ever clothing line. I'm so excited, just in time for Christmas. So please go ahead and come on to this website, and I'm going to link it down below, but it is on Teespring, and anyone can make their own clothing line on Teespring. It is so exciting. So if you've never checked out Teespring, definitely make sure you check out #NotSponsored. I've made my own clothing line, and so you can go on there and buy some Adventures by Kayla merchandise or Mountain Creek Stables merchandise, and all of the proceeds goes back to helping me train and sell these wonderful horses. So I'm definitely not taking that as profit, and I've made it as cheap as possible, so that I'm only getting like $1 or $2 per shirt, so that you can get a reasonably cheap shirt and then just have to pay for shipping. So that way you actually could enjoy it. So thank you so much for purchasing any of my items, and let me show you what I've got for sale. So the first item, and my favorite item I think of the entire thing, will be this first shirt. Let me get it. Is the Soar High Jumping Tee, is what I've called it. Again, now the website would be teespring.com/stores/adventures by Kayla. So here's the front, and it has Isaiah 41 right here, and it's like the jumping horse is going over it. And then on the back you have the jumping horse, and it says, "But those who trust in the Lord will find new strength. They will soar high on wings like eagles. They will run and not grow weary." That is such a great quote and such a great Bible verse for horses, for riding horses and jumping and eventing and all that kind of stuff. And there's lots of different, you can do any size you need, buy as many as you need, and all of my shirts are $14.99, which is totally good price. So I just bought this one, which is a sample size, and I should be getting it in the mail soon. But it was green, which is my favorite. Pink, the light pink is really cute, and then orange as well as just the light gray. This may look a little bit white, but it's light gray, so that it could be really nice and fancy for you to take to a horse show. Because it's nice to have a t-shirt that you can ride to horse shows without it being over the top. So next is out there is Adventure is Out There tee. This is my Up inspired. Now I can't put balloons from Up and stuff like that on there, or I will get copyrighted from Mickey Mouse, but this statement is from there, which is Adventure is Out There. So this is my Up inspired t-shirt. So we've got some of the mountains and some a creek really right there, and this is Adventures Out There. Now this is in the red, and here's the front. That's the back again. Here's the front, which just has the logo Adventures by Kayla on the front. Super love it. Lots of color options on this one. These are all the dark colors. So that's a lime green. I don't really like that one as well because you can't see Adventures Out There very good. But here we have black, navy, I don't even know what you call this, heather blue, is that what you call it? Hard to say. Then we have like a hunter green. The picture is hard to tell for sure on here. A dark gray, and then a purple. So this is really kind of hard to tell on here, but these are also really, really beautiful colors. Okay, the next one, and this is going to be this is technically then my winter 2020 clothing line. This is so exciting. So this is my Adventures by Kayla logo tee. So again, the front would be my logo, Adventures by Kayla. And on the back it has my Adventures by Kayla and God Bless and Be Adventurous. And you guys know I say that a lot. So I thought I had to have a logo tee. And here's all the color options for that. If you like a brighter color, here's an orange, which works out pretty good. On this one, my favorite color would be the green one, probably. So I have it up there. Or I do really like this heather blue. It's really pretty. But that way there's both dark and lighter colors. The next one I have, super love it. I almost wanted it as a sample, so I'm trying just to get one sample of each. Gotta just, you know, calm down. But if you do buy multiple items, then I think it's $4 for shipping, but they do combine your shipping. So like if you buy multiple shirts, you shouldn't have to pay shipping for everything, which would be nice. So this is my Make It a 10 dressage tee. I love that statement. I do have my little logo here. I tried to make sure I put it on there, but I have a nice dressage silhouette, and make it a 10. And on the front, it just says dressage with a little dressage riding horse. And there's lots of different colors with this one as well. This one might be my favorite shirt. It's hard to say. We have our green, our pink, our heather blue, yeah, orange. And then I also have black, but you can't see make it a 10 whenever, well, it's not black, it's actually like a dark gray and you can't really see it, but it does still show up. I do like the lighter colors for this one. My favorite color for this one is probably the light pink, but I mean, look how cute that would be if you're wearing this with a pair of like khaki breeches at a schooling show or at a clinic. That would be so, so cute. So I still may end up buying it for myself. And all of these designs are by me. I just like did it myself. I'm so proud and excited. Next is my Mountain Creek Stables logo tee. And Mountain Creek Stables is my farm that I am selling my dressage and eventing horses from. So I did go ahead and make my logo tee. And I'd love for you to buy this to promote my business. I would super love that. But here's again the back. So I have my logo and dressage and eventing horses for sale and my phone number. Please don't just call randomly, but it is for people to buy my horses from. And again, the logo on the front. I do like black the best in this, but there are other color options. The lightest one would be the like heather gray type, heather blue rather. But you know, green looks good on it too. Any of those works really, really well. And again, this is the Winter 2020 collection, which is my first one. The next one is like my Christmas shirt that I kind of made for this year. So I'm gonna try to make a Christmas one every single year. And again, my goal is to have this on here and have a collection each season. And we'll see how well it does. So if you guys just like blow it out of the water, then I'll make even more shirts. I mean, we'll see. I love making designs. Now hoodies, the cheapest you could possibly sell it for is like $32.99. So my price is $34.99 for a hoodie, but you know hoodies are more expensive anyways. But I love this red hoodie. As far as the options for colors is only red, white, which white looks really, really good, and a light gray. So all three of those are really light, and this is perfect for Christmas, and it says, "Riding in a Winter Wonderland." I absolutely love it. Now, a lot of the other ones are kind of English inspired. This one is, if I can focus. This one's a little bit more Western, but you honestly can't tell. It just looks like a good horse in good contact. But the hat, I do believe that they're wearing is kind of a cowboy hat, but it is kind of hard to see. And I love it that they have the white strings. It just looks so, so sharp. And here's the back on that one, but there's nothing on the back. Again, that one was $34.99. And finally is my Disney shirt. So I'll tell you, here's my Disney shirt. And so I have, this was called the Favorite Places tee. So can you guess where I have all these from? So I have Aloha Isle, Pongu Pongu, Sleepy Hollow, and Olive World Showcase. So this is my favorite places to go grab a snack or a treat. So Aloha Isle, of course, is your Dole Flow area. Pongu Pongu is your Night Blossom. Sleepy Hollow is like your chicken and waffles. And then, of course, Olive World Showcase. So everything in the countries is just fabulous, including food and wine. And I love this lime green color. Lots of other colors, though, as well, including orange and light pink, and then the darker pink, if you like that kind of color. Kind of like a bubblegum color, as well as the heather blue as well, and light gray. So all kinds of of awesome colors. So if you kind of can tell my plan here, so every collection I'd like to have at least one horse shirt that I've come up with. My logo tees I may leave on here just because I would like to have those logo tees. Then I'm going to have at least one Mountain Creek Stables type of shirt, one Adventures by Kayla shirt, unique one, and then a unique item. So I sometimes will have phone cases or rugs or like blankets or something like that. So this is my unique item this time, and then one Disney. So that's kind of like my plan. We'll see. So again, I do plan on leaving this one and this one on here because they're going to be my logo tees. But the others will probably go off of here come spring. So if you're wanting to purchase one of these shirts, these would be great stocking stuffers for Christmas this year. But I do plan to leave them on here until getting closer to the spring, which will probably be around March. So that'll be how long they're on here. At least that's kind of the plan. But if you guys just take off and love them, I may leave them all on here. So comment down below, do you like them? What's your favorite one? What's your favorite color? going back and forth. I mean, I think I might like the sweatshirt the best. I don't know. It's so exciting, and I can't wait to show you the sample, because I did buy this one as a sample, and I can't wait to see what it looks like whenever I get it and try it on. So thank you so much for watching. God bless, be adventurous, and make sure you check this out. And again, that's on teespring.com/stores/adventures by Kayla, and I'll leave a link down below in the description. So thank you so much for watching. Make sure you like and subscribe so you never miss an episode, and I'll see you next time.